Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here, and welcome to episode 470 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Huawei is launching a smartphone with a digital Yuan wallet. NetCents is increasing its credit facility, and DMGI's subsidiary, Blockseer, is launching a Bitcoin mining pool. But just before we dive into today's show, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, please don't hesitate to share it or leave us a review. And while you're at it, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, as well as the Cannabis podcast. Both of those will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so heading into another weekend and a new month, Bitcoin is currently trading for about $13,250 according to data from CoinMarketCap. Though this is a decline from this past week's peak of around $13,800, which Bitcoin reached on Tuesday, it still represents an increase from 1 week ago when it was trading for just below $13,000. Cointelegraph reports that Chinese telecom giant Huawei is launching a new smartphone that will feature an integrated hardware wallet for China's central bank digital currency, the digital Yuan. This Mate 40 smartphone will also allow for dual offline transactions wherein users can transfer funds simply by touching their devices together even if both are offline. Now, this Cointelegraph report is derived from an official post from Huawei on a Chinese microblogging website called Weibo from today. A translated excerpt from that reads, quote, Huawei Mate 40 series is the first smartphone that supports digital RMB hardware wallet, hardware-level security, controllable anonymity protection, dual offline transactions, bringing a new safe and convenient payment experience. End quote. NetCents Technology Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker symbol NC, has increased its credit facility from $1.4 billion to $2 billion so as to facilitate continued merchant growth, a credit card launch, and white label projects. According to the press release, the increase will also enable the company to have money in the market over an extended period and be able to profit from arbitrage opportunities, as well as allow it the capacity to eliminate volatility risk for all of its merchants. Clayton Moore, the CEO of NetCents, commented, quote, We think we are at the inflection point. Bitcoin is coming out of the shadows and moving again into the spotlight. Unfortunately, many missed the 300% run from the bottom. I do think it is ironic that JP Morgan, whose CEO derided Bitcoin as a fraud in 2017, has published research indicating millennials prefer Bitcoin to gold as a store of value and inflation hedge. The older cohorts prefer gold, while the younger cohorts prefer Bitcoin as an alternative currency, they said. End quote. Blockseer, a subsidiary of DMGI Blockchain Solutions Inc., which trades on the TSXV under the ticker symbol DMGI, is launching a new North America-based Bitcoin mining pool. The press release defines mining pools as the software protocols by which all miners connect to the various blockchains. DMG's CTO, Adrian Glover, commented, quote, I'm very proud of the work of our development team over the past year to build and launch Blockseer's pool platform. We built the pool on the technology platform that drives our mine management platform, thus creating a unified user experience for our customers and enabling us to quickly add features to both products. In the near-term future, we will be providing audit-ready reports and irrefutable proof of our customers' mining revenue directly from our user interface. For DMG, the launch of the pool is only the beginning. Our team will continue to work hard on adding all of the revenue, cost tracking, and projection information that miners look for. Following the same philosophy which we used in building our mine management platform, we built the pool we wished our vendors had provided for us. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.